It is Israel's biggest military operation here in 20 years, a third front alongside those in Gaza and Lebanon. And by the looks of the bulldozers destroying streets and building defensive walls, it may not be over anytime soon. This was one of dozens of homes targeted by Israeli soldiers in the early hours of this morning. Khaled Giab says he and his wife only escaped the flames by breaking through their bathroom window. Hundreds of troops are involved, hunting down Palestinian militants and ignoring calls from the UN Secretary-General to stop. Checking under tarpaulins, where fighters can evade the cameras of Israeli surveillance drones. By flying through a hole in this damaged mosque, a drone managed to film it. The pictures on the walls are apparently those of dead Palestinian fighters, and the Israelis say these were their explosives. This morning, Palestinians inspected the ruins of the mosque after the Israelis withdrew. They said that commandos had arrived by helicopter and that 4 militants were killed here. Gunmen who are now so radicalized that they don't seem to care being filmed. Those who died will hopefully be among the birds of paradise, says this fighter. What's happening shows this is a religious war. It's not against us as Palestinians, but a war on Islam, our religion. In the town of Jenin, residents are staying indoors. Phone and internet services have been cut, and the Israelis are checking every ambulance in case it's carrying militants. 4 of them were buried today. Hamas has repeatedly called for an uprising in the West Bank, where 3 million live under illegal Israeli occupation. A ceasefire in Gaza might help calm things down here, but the risk is that in trying to prevent an uprising, these Israeli troops provoke one.
And just in the last few minutes, the World Health Organization has said there will be limited pauses in the fighting in Gaza to allow them to carry out polio vaccinations. The WHO said the 3-day humanitarian pauses would take place in different areas, coordinated with the Israeli authorities, with the aim of vaccinating 640,000 children under the age of 10.